Yeah, he's had a full day out, and when he does, it's extremely entertaining, and it's great for the game, because we see a lot of them in training do stuff like that all the time, and you just shake your head at it because it doesn't happen every day. And today his all-round game was on, and that's great for us at the start of a tournament. It shows that he's right on top of his game.
It was obviously a very good catch, but if he just stood at the back, he'd have gone straight in. That's what I keep telling him. It was an amazing catch. We see him do that in practice all the time, but he actually messed up. He came running in and then had to go back. So,
but that makes it all the better, yeah. The correction, to still catch them.
Of course, but if you're in the right place, then it's easy. That's my opinion, anyway.
Yeah, I think it's up there. One of the best ones I've taken. Yeah.
Catch of the century, though, is that?
Oh, I think that's probably a bit too much. Yeah, good catch, great feeling at the time to do it in front of that crowd as well. It was one of those moments that I just tried to take in.